Good morning everyone. So today I'm here in Chiang Mai, one of the popular places to visit here in Thailand. We just arrived here. It's like 7 a.m. We got here 30 minutes ago. We got on the night bus from Bangkok, so me and Carol are pretty tired. That is our hostel there. We can only check in at like 1 p.m. and like I said, it's 7 a.m. right now, but they let us keep our big bags there and stuff. We kind of want to sleep, but I guess we're going to be pretty much forced to explore the city a bit. It is one of the oldest cities here in Thailand. I think it was founded in the 13th century, so really old. And right now we're in Old Chiang Mai, so there's a lot of like ancient historic things around here. It is quite small. You can walk from one side of like Old Chiang Mai to the other, I think in around like 20 minutes. So yeah, I think right now might find a place to have breakfast and probably explore. Like I said, there's like 30 temples within Old Chiang Mai. I think we're actually right next to one, but there's a temple right here, so we're staying there and you got a temple right here, so pretty cool. So yeah, like I said, I think I'm just gonna wait for Carol to get ready and then we'll go out and explore. So we found a pretty cool cafe to come to for breakfast. Here seems to be like a lot of like trendy cafes. I had read about that, like basically historic places with trendy cafes, so pretty cool mix. I did have 2 slices, I already ate that one. We got coffee, juice, fruit. Carol got exactly the same, and it was $4 each, so pretty good price. So we've come to our first temple of the day. This place is called Wat Chedi Luang. Probably pronounced that wrong, but yeah, there's quite a few temples here actually. There's one here. Also got this other one here, but this place is basically famous for a really ancient one that's at the back that I'll show you soon. First up, we've got the Grand Hall. Look at that for an entrance. So behind me here you can see the most fascinating part of this temple. So this is the part that everybody pretty much comes to see. So this was constructed I think in the 14th century, but for some reason it wasn't completed until the 15th century. And then sometime around the 16th century there was an earthquake, and that's why you can see the top of it kind of collapsed. Now I think it has been restored a bit, this top part, but at the time that was 82 meters high, and I think 30 meters of it fell, so pretty insane structure. I think that's the first like kind of ruin we've seen in Thailand, right?
It is.
It is the first one.
It's nice, it's different.
Different to everything else we saw, right? Yeah, definitely one of the best things I've seen so far in Thailand. So you can see here, just like we saw in Bangkok, in Wat Pho, we have a reclining Buddha. So here says that it's believed to have been built during 1487 to 1517. That right there is a really old creation. So we come to a really nice area on the grounds of the temple here. They have like a cafe and a spot to relax. I just got myself this cool coffee here. Seems to have like a flower image or something. Carol got a refreshing coconut. I think all this was just under $5. But then you get the best part, which is a view of the main temples. Not bad, right, Carol?
No.
Not bad at all. You probably saw before as well, there's quite a lot of monks around here. When we was in Bangkok, a lot of the temples didn't seem to have that many monks, but here we've seen loads. Even around Chiang Mai, you see lots of monks walking around, so yeah, there just seems to be a lot more around here for some reason. We're heading out now. Definitely an incredible place to come. I forgot to mention before that it's 40 baht per person, so really cheap, just over $1 to enter. Yeah, and there's loads to see, loads of different temples, and just, yeah, some amazing historic things. We decided to come to another temple nearby. This one is called Wat Chedi Luang. Couldn't really find any history about this place. Still looks old. They're constructing a lot of stuff right now. Got this cool like bamboo bridge. Pretty funny to walk on, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem very stable. But pretty beautiful. Look, got all these plants. Yeah, there's actually like a pond underneath there. It's all overgrown. Now on this side you got some like lily pads. There's some fish as well. And then back there I guess is like a new temple that they're building. So I found out on the internet that this is in fact the second oldest temple in Chiang Mai. Apparently it's mentioned in some like 15th century poems. So yeah, that's how they know. So this has been the cool thing about here in Bangkok. There's so many temples that you can easily just find quiet ones like this where pretty much nobody's here at all. Like obviously there's always the main popular ones, but so many of them are just pretty much empty. And me and Carol even decided to try and do a bit of meditation. Quickly makes you realize that there's a
lot of things going.
Yeah, person in your head that doesn't shut up and you're not controlling him. But it's something that I've done before. I've never stuck to it though. I think there was a period where I'd done it for like 2 months in the past, but yeah, I stopped doing it. I should do it more, to be honest, especially since there's so much nonsense that I do every day. But yeah, we should make a pact to meditate every day, at least 5-10 minutes, I guess. So you can see here we have the abbot's seat. Seem to have a gong and some drums. And then quite a few Buddhas. And I guess these were more recent monks or teachers, I'm not sure. So we've now come to, I think it's called Ta Pha Gate. Nothing too spectacular, but basically one of the few points where the historic wall that protected the city still exists. Pretty much there's no border around the majority of the city anymore. But I guess historically this would have gone all the way around the part that we're in. You think that's restored? It looks kind of new.
Yeah, it looks like it was restored.
Yeah, it doesn't actually look that old. Carol, I think I'll skip doing that with the pigeons.
I hate pigeons, so this, for me, this is crazy. Like,
crazy people. So you can see here as well, there's also this moat that goes all the way around like the old city. So you would have had this wall going all the way down here, and then basically this moat on the outside. Pretty much what you get around a lot of medieval castles and stuff, just for extra protection, I guess. So we ended up coming back to the hostel and taking a nap for a few hours since we were so tired and it's so warm. So the hostel that we're staying at is called Oh My Bed. Pretty funny name, and it was only like $16 a night, so pretty cheap. Just a simple thing, bed on the floor. It does have AC though, which I ain't sleeping anywhere without AC in this current heat. But I'll show you the best part now. So here we have the royal cat wall. You got Grumpy Cat here. This guy looks pretty evil. Yeah, loads of cat stuff. It's because the owner has 3 cats, so yeah, he has cat things everywhere. It's pretty funny. Anyway, and we decided we're going to go to another temple, one of the popular ones here, but we wanted to go there during the night. I've never been to a temple during the night, so I thought it'd be a cool idea. So that's what's coming up next. So we now come to one of the most popular temples. It's called Wat Chedi, I think. Still light. We said we was going to come at dark, so I think we're just going to hang around and yeah, wait until it gets dark and see how it is. So I think this place is famous because of this huge golden pagoda here. Looks pretty stunning. And because of this little kid. Looks like it's about to get dark now. It's very quiet. There isn't that many people here at all. I didn't expect it to be so peaceful here. We're not sure what time this place closes. Hopefully it doesn't close while we're in here. Get trapped inside the temple. But yeah, it's looking pretty amazing. You can see around the pagodas they have like some lights at the bottom. And then right there you even have the moon. My camera's not doing it justice right now. So I'm going to close the video out now. Pretty happy that we did stick around until night, because yeah, that looks very different to anything I've seen so far, and I can see why a lot of people come to Chiang Mai. There's just so many awesome things here. I think it's pretty much just cool food places and temples in the old city anyway, and we're gonna be here all day tomorrow, so yeah, I've still got to kind of decide what we're going to be doing tomorrow, so stick around for that. And as always, just drop a like on this video to support me, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.